In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments in Notion, a powerful tool for organizing your projects and collaborating effectively with others. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, keeping your workspace tidy and distraction-free can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining focus. While Notion doesn't have a direct feature to hide comments, there are some simple strategies we can use to achieve a cleaner look in your databases or pages. Let's dive into these methods, so you can keep your workspace visually comfortable and easy to navigate. First, let's talk about utilizing the Properties option. Open the Notion page or database where you want to hide comments. Look at the top of the page, and you'll see a menu of options. Click on the Properties button. Here, you'll find a list of all the properties available for this database or page, including comments. You can decide to make the Comments property invisible by toggling off its visibility. By doing this, the comments will not show up in the main view of your Notion database, helping you maintain a clutter-free interface. Remember, this doesn't delete any of your comments, they're simply hidden from plain view, becoming accessible again whenever you need them by toggling the setting back on. Another approach you might find useful is to collapse discussions within a page. If you're using Notion for note-taking or project management, comments can quickly add up, cluttering the content. Scroll to the section with comments. You'll find a small arrow next to the comment conversation. Click this arrow to collapse the thread. This method doesn't remove the comments. Instead, it just minimizes them, making your page look cleaner and letting you focus on the more important content without the distraction of comment threads. If you're collaborating with others, it's important to communicate these changes. Make sure your team is aware of how to view comments again if needed, as these methods only alter the visibility on your end. Sharing a brief guide with them or during a team meeting can ensure everyone's on the same page, literally and figuratively. Lastly, to help manage notifications, you might consider adjusting the notification settings. Go to the Settings and Members section in Notion, then head over to the Notification Settings tab. Here you can choose how you want to receive notifications about comments. Reducing unnecessary notifications can help you keep focused and reduce the clutter of updates about comments that are not a priority at the moment. These strategies help maintain a streamlined workflow, allowing you to keep your workspace organized and stress-free, which is essential in efficient digital management. By effectively managing the visibility of comments, you can ensure your Notion experience remains productive and user-friendly. So, give these tips a try, and see how they can help you maximize your use of Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.